The state of California is partnering with Dolly Parton's Imagination Library and bringing to parents with preschool children books right to their doorsteps. It targets children ages 5 and under, allowing over 2.4 million children in California to participate. State librarian Greg Lucas says the program is a great way to introduce children to reading.
There's a value in reading books. There's a value in just receiving something in the mail that's addressed to you as a little kid. I mean, I am so old that I used to clip the box tops off cereal and send them to Battle Creek, Michigan. And then like something would arrive, for Master Greg Lucas. And that was just about the coolest thing ever.
The program is set to officially launch in June of this year, but families can enroll now by going to imaginationlibrary.com/California. Lucas explained the program is already in about 40 different locations across the state and some of the other ways parents can enroll their little ones.
Some places they use the library to sign people up and then partner with a group called First Five, which receives money to help in the development of kids from the ages of like 0 to 5, which is the target group for the Imagination Library. And then what happens is the names get sent to the Imagination Library.
The program is all thanks to Bill SB 1183.
Bill was introduced by Senator Shannon Grove from Bakersfield, and the leader of the California State Senate is a woman named Toni Atkins. And if she were on this call with you, she would say that two things helped her succeed in life to get to where she is now. And one of them is the federal program that provides free meals to poor kids, because she grew up poor on the East Coast. And the second is public libraries. And the books are sent to the kiddos, one each month.
Dolly Parton's Imagination Library was inspired by Parton's dad, who couldn't read or write. Governor Newsom announced the news on Twitter with a message from Dolly Parton in late December of last year. Newsom's wife said on Instagram that research has shown that early reading offers numerous benefits for children's development in the first 5 years of life and inspires the love of books and reading. And being exposed to a variety of books, children tend to perform at higher levels in school. Lucas mentioned the Imagination Library took into account the fact that California has a diverse group of people and has offered to pick up the tab to provide Spanish books.
The Imagination Library has volunteered to do and is picking up the tab for is every single book that comes to California is going to be in English and Spanish, which is like unbelievably awesome, right? Because 40% of our population is Latino. So having them offer to do that and recognizing that aspect of California's diversity.
The budget for the program is $60 million and will be used over the coming years. The Dolly Parton's Imagination program has delivered more than 178 million books to parents all over the world. Jackie Rios, NTD News, California.